Well, the answer is the remote pilot must have prior authorization from the air traffic control facility having jurisdiction over that airspace. And I guess we should look into what the question is then. Hello again, I'm Rich Klingman with PracticePart107.com. We're here to make drone certification feel less like a test and more like a pathway. Let's explore that question. So, according to the regulations, how may a remote pilot operate an unmanned aircraft in Class C airspace? So, important part here, Part 107 is what you're testing for. So, in a Class C, so we need to know different classes of airspace. But one thing to remember when it's saying, like, what do we need to have? We have to have authorization in any controlled airspace. So it doesn't matter if it's Class B or C or D or E. We still, if we're in controlled airspace, we still need to get prior authorization. So you might pause the video. This has some ideas here and reasoning. So the thing to remember is, again, whatever airspace you're trying to fly in, it requires prior authorization. And there is another question floating around in the official FAA questions that asks similar thing. It asks, like, can you get authorization after you're flying? And the phrase always is prior authorization. So this is a little hard to read. You might pause it. But the idea here is just trying to help you know what the different airspace letters classes are. This is the full overview. This would work as a practice card, maybe, to help you work on it. Okay, you've got that question solid. Let's keep going. We've got hundreds more with clear explanations in multiple languages, plus unlimited practice quizzes and more. Please like and subscribe and visit us at PracticePart107.com. Learn fast, fly smart, test with confidence. Until next time, keep your props spinning and your mind sharp.